In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues on the Google Play Store through a proven set of steps. Let's begin by opening the Play Store application on your device. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll spot an icon that will allow you to access more options. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Now, under the Settings menu, there is a particular section you need to navigate to. It's called Network Preferences. Within Network Preferences, you'll see App Download Preferences. Click on this and select Over Any Network. This option ensures that your device can download apps regardless of whether you're connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. After making this selection, click Done to confirm your preference. The next step in our troubleshooting journey takes us to your device's settings. Head over to the main settings menu on your device and scroll down until you find the Apps section. Here, you'll want to scroll through the list of applications until you find Google Play Store. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. You'll now see an option titled Storage. Click on this to access further options related to app storage. First, you're going to want to click on Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing issues. Next, select Clear Data and remember to click OK when prompted. This process will reset the app's data without deleting any apps you've installed. Now return to the previous menu by clicking Back. You'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Click on these, and from the new menu, select Uninstall Updates. This step is crucial as it reverts the Play Store to its factory version, which can resolve many common problems. Next, click on Google Play Store once more and navigate to the Storage option again. This time, just clear the cache there. Following that, select Manage Storage. Click on Clear All Data to ensure that any residual data is dealt with effectively. Once you've completed this, click back and, once again, look to the 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on them and then select Uninstall Updates once more. By doing this, you're ensuring that the app is refreshed entirely and that any lingering issues are fully addressed. And there you have it. These steps should have resolved the issues you were facing with the Google Play Store. You should now be able to enjoy smooth and trouble-free app downloads. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.